Hello everyone, my name is Shao and together with my teammate Alvin, we make up Team NUS Routes. So a little bit about our motivation and aim for the project. Time is wasted daily to decide on how to navigate from one place to another in NUS. Furthermore, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many students, especially freshmen, lack the know-how of navigating around campus. With the current NUS bus apps lacking a route recommendation feature, one has to manually search for the bus service to their destination. Currently, there are multiple bus services to a location and it is burdensome to decide on the shortest route. We hope to make an app with an intuitively clear and concise UI for NUS shuttle bus services, and this includes a route recommendation feature. So this is a web page that is created by Alvin and I, and for anybody who is interested to try out our web app, you may do so by going into nusroutes.vercel.app on your browser. This is the home page of the main section of the home page, and if there are multiple sections, namely the About section, the Bus Info section, the FAQs, and the Contact Us section. If you click on About, it will bring you to the About section where it shows you a brief introduction of what NUS Routes is about. And if you click on the button here, it will direct you to our source code in our GitHub repository. And here is the NUS shuttle bus information. Click on the arrow icons if you would like to scroll through the different shuttle bus available in NUS. So here is the name of the shuttle bus, and here's the route, and here's the bus schedule. If you would like to just use our route recommendation function, you do not have to care about this information because our route recommendation function actually handles all this information for you. Right, so here's the FAQs. Click on the question and you can view the answers to the respective questions. Sorry, to the corresponding questions. Yeah. And then here's the Contact Us page where you can give your feedbacks or improvements that you think we should implement into the web app. And lastly, here's the footer. If you would like to go back up to the main section of the home page, you can simply just click on this logo over here or click on the logo in the navigation bar over here. Either one of them is fine. So let's say if I do click on this, it will direct me back to the main section of the home page. Alternatively, if you click on the GitHub icon over here, it will direct you to our GitHub repo. And if you click on the Telegram icon over here, it will direct you to the Telegram bot that we have created that allows you to use the route recommendation function. Right. If you do not like to use the Telegram bot, you can actually use it in the web page over here. To use the route recommendation function, you do not have to log in, but I will just log in just to show you guys how the login page looks like. If you click on profile without logging in, it will direct you to the login page, right? And if you would like to go back to the home page, simply click on this back arrow over here. If you do not have an account, you can click sign up, but since I already have an account, I just have to just sign in. And if you have a Google account, you can simply sign in using your Google account. You don't have to sign up, right? Either way is fine. So let's sign in. So now I'm signed in, and if I click on profile, it will direct me to my history, where it shows me that it shows the timestamp of my searches for my inputs for the route recommendation function. So at 9:14 PM, I have asked the route recommendation function to give me a route from NU Town to AS5. And yep, so these are this is the history of my searches. So if you would like to go back to the home page, you can click NUS routes, or you can just simply click home, right? So let's say if I would like to go from COM2 to UTown, you direct me to a map page, and it'll take a while for the route to load. This only takes a while to load if you have not visited the website for a long time. Okay, so let's click on this route there's a few route recommendations here, but let's click on the first one. The first one is always the most, shows you the fastest arrival time, right? So and the route rendered is always automatically the fastest one, which is the first route recommendation that you see here, right? As you can see, there's the word rendered over here. So this is the rendered route, and here's the route information, where the starting time is 9:49 p.m. because I have asked the route recommendation to give me a route at 9:49 p.m. And the arrival time is 10:01 p.m. The duration is 12 minutes, and the bus to take is D1. So I'll be starting from COM2, which is indicated as a blue marker icon over here, and take D1 from COM2 to UTown, which is a straight bus, a direct bus. Yep. And the destination is indicated as a red marker icon over here. The bus icon is the bus stop the bus stop icon over here is the bus stop that you will pass by as you go by, as you take the bus D1. Right, here's the bus arrival time and the next bus arrival time, which is there's no next bus. Yep. So this bus arrival time will automatically refresh every 3 seconds, so you do not have to worry about whether or not it is updated. And this bouncing icon over here is my current location, right? So if I have no idea where to start from, if you have no idea which bus stop is near you, you can actually click on nearest bus stop, and it will tell me that the nearest bus stop near me is UTown, right? Based on your current location, you will have to enable your GPS location for that. Yep. And if you enable the alarm, it will notify you that you will have whether or not you have reached your location, so you do not have to keep checking your phone to see at which part of the route you are at. So let's say if I click on alarm, right, for desktop users, you must allow their location access. For mobile users, yeah, okay, so because I'm near UTown, it says that I am going near UTown already, so I will have to alight at the next bus stop. Yeah, so this is how we know that the alarm is working, right? On the other hand, let's choose another destination. Let's say LT27, right? So if I click on alarm again, once I am close to LT27, it will alert me, and because I'm not close to LT27, you see it's not alerting me, and this alarm will keep track of my current location at every 5 seconds and see whether I am close to the destination or not. If I'm close, it will notify me and give me a pop-up icon, like a pop-up dialog over here, right? That's about it. If you would like to search for future events, you can click on later, right, and you gotta fill in based on this format, like the date based on this format. So let's say if I want to depart at the 26th of July 2021, and I would like to depart at 1 p.m, right, I will have to press the get route or go button. So press get route, it will show me the route that I will have to take at 1 p.m, right? The duration is 14 minutes, my arrival time is 1:14 p.m, and the bus to take is A1, right? This is for like future departure events. So yeah, okay. for future departure, it's important to note that for future departure events, there's no arrival time. Yeah, and another thing is there's this switch button over here if in case you want to switch your starting point and destination, right? And let's say I switch it and I get route, it'll show me the route from LT27 to COM2, right? And our web page is actually mobile friendly as well. So just to show you guys how it looks like on the mobile phone. So I'll have to refresh this. Yep, this is how it look like on the mobile phone. Right, there's this drawer over here where you can swipe up or down. Right, let's say if I want to close this drawer, it'll show me the route that I will have to take. Then if you like the drawer to come up again, you can simply just click route. And you would have to, I'm not sure if you can see the word over here, but it says swipe up to lock your screen, so to lock the drawer. So if I swipe it up, I can actually scroll through the route recommendations if there are a few of them. There are more of them. Yeah. But since there are only 3 of them, I will not have to lock my drawer to view the route recommendations. Yes. And if you would like to go back to home or look at the bus info or the history, you can click on the buttons over here. Right. This section is for users who would like to use our Telegram bot. So like I said before, if you were to click on this Telegram icon over here, it'll bring you to it'll direct you to our Telegram bot for the route recommendation function. So let's say if I were to open my Telegram, then I'll click on start. You can do this on your phone also, by the way. So let's say if I would like to ask for a route finder, then you can choose a current location. Let's say I would like to go from COM2 to U Town. Right, so here will be the path that I will have to take, COM2 to U Town, and the bus that I will have to take is D1, and the duration is 12 minutes and you take 0 transfers. Alternatively, you could take this path where you have to take D1 from COM2 to Museum, and then take D2 from Museum to U Town, and the duration will take 24 minutes, and it will take 1 transfer of buses. Right, then you could enable your proximity alarm, and it will notify you when you have reached your destination. The destination now is U Town. Right, it will share with you the instructions to enable your proximity alarm. So for the proximity alarm to work, you will have to share your live location, and to share your live location, you have to click on this paperclip icon over here. Right, and for mobile users, there'll be something, you can share your live location once you click on this paperclip icon over here, but it does not work for desktop users. Right, so do bear in mind that this proximity alarm is only available for mobile users. And finally, there's the arrival time of buses. Right, so let's say I would like to check the arrival. You've got to select a bus stop first. So let's say COM2, and I would like to look at the arrival timing of bus D1 to U Town. So right, they'll tell me that there's no incoming buses. Yep, so that's about it. Oh, thank you for